Get your hands on the best gaming phone of the year and take your gaming skills to the next level. Get immersed in stunning graphics, lightning-fast performance, and seamless gameplay. Red Magic 9 Pro. Prepare to be blown away by the sheer power of the Red Magic 9 Pro, a gaming phone that packs a punch. With the latest Qualcomm flagship CPU, active cooling, a mesmerizing display, and a sleek design, what truly catches the eye is the clever disguise of the RGB cooling fan as a camera lens, adding a unique flair. Not only that, but the lighting capabilities have been taken up a notch. The Red Magic 9 Pro boasts a massive 6.8-inch AMOLED display on the front, offering a silky smooth 120Hz refresh rate and a peak brightness of 1600 nits, as confirmed by Red Magic's lab results. To ensure durability, a Gorilla Glass 5 display panel safeguards the screen. ROG Phone 8 Pro. The earlier ROG phones were recognized for their unique designs, but the newest series shifts focus, combining outstanding performance with a simpler, more mainstream style. Features the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor, Adreno 750 GPU, and options for either 16GB RAM with 512GB storage or 24GB RAM with 1TB storage. Its 6.78-inch AMOLED display boasts LTPO technology, reaching 2500 nits brightness and 165Hz refresh rate, adjustable to 1 Hz. Powering the device is a 5500 mAh battery with Quick Charge 5.0. Though not praised for its camera, the phone's gaming features are esteemed, allowing hardcore gamers to maximize its capabilities. The cooling system includes graphite sheets, a rapid cooling conductor, boron nitride, and a vapor chamber. The top-tier model also comes with an Aeroactive Cooler X accessory, improving cooling when attached to the phone's back. Infinix GT20 Pro, featuring the new MediaTek Dimensity 8200 Ultimate SoC, emerges as one of the leading performers in its category. With 8GB of RAM and 256GB of 3.1 storage, it smoothly handles popular demanding games like BGMI, Call of Duty, and Genshin Impact. Infinix has fine-tuned BGMI to support Extreme Plus frame rates up to 90 Hz with smooth graphics, while Call of Duty runs well with high graphic settings. The standout feature of the Infinix GT20 Pro is its 108 megapixel camera with OIS support, accompanied by 2 additional sensors for macro and portrait shots. Equipped with a 5000 mAh battery and 45-watt charging, it offers respectable charging speed, complemented by 360-degree SoC cooling, including a 68% larger PCM graphite sheet and a 73% plus larger VC liquid cooling, enhancing thermal conductivity around the SoC. Black Shark 5 Pro. The Black Shark 5 Pro is a gaming powerhouse, equipped with a high-performance processor, gaming mode, and retractable triggers for a competitive edge. Its satin finish back showcases grid lines and a small RGB LED that adjusts to lighting. The glass panel is elegantly flexible, with rounded edges for a comfortable grip. The 6.67-inch AMOLED display boasts a 1080 by 2400 resolution, 144Hz refresh rate, and 720Hz touch sampling. It supports HDR10+, DCI-P3 color accuracy, and coverage. Powered by Snapdragon 8 Generation 1, it offers 8GB or 12GB RAM. This impressive package includes the 108 megapixel main camera, 20MP front camera, and 4500 mAh battery with 120-watt fast charging. Lenovo Legion Y90. The Lenovo Legion Y90 is a smartphone built for gaming enthusiasts, prioritizing power and user experience. Featuring a 6.92-inch AMOLED display, the Legion Y90 offers a 144Hz refresh rate and a peak brightness of 1300 nits. It is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Generation 1 chipset and incorporates a dual fan vapor chamber cooling system to prevent overheating during intense gaming sessions. The phone provides options of 12GB to 18GB of RAM and 256GB to 640GB of internal storage. It also includes capacitive touch-sensitive shoulder triggers resembling gaming controller buttons. With a 5600 mAh battery and support for up to 68 watts of quick charging, the Legion Y90 ensures long gaming sessions. Poco X6 Pro. Most gaming phones exceed $1,000, making them pricier than a PS5 or Xbox Series X. The Poco X6 Pro offers a solution, providing excellent performance with the MediaTek Dimensity 8300 Ultra chip, up to 12 GB of RAM, and 512 GB of storage. It includes game-specific features like performance optimization software and a 120 Hz refresh rate on its 6.67-inch AMOLED panel. The device now has improved water and dust resistance, IP54 standard, and supports 68-watt quick charging with a 5000 mAh battery. While its performance may not match the ROG Phone 8 Pro and its cameras may disappoint photographers, bloatware and ads slightly detract from the experience. Nonetheless, considering the price, it offers a great gaming experience. ROG Phone 7. This is an excellent choice for gaming enthusiasts on a budget. The device boasts a 6.78-inch AMOLED display with a sharp resolution of 2448 by 1080 and a peak brightness of 1500 nits, suitable for outdoor use. The 165 Hz refresh rate and 720 Hz touch sampling rate ensure smooth and responsive gameplay. Powered by the Snapdragon 8 Generation 2 CPU, coupled with 16 GB of RAM, it offers powerful performance. Storage options include up to 512 GB. Its camera setup comprises a 50 megapixel main shooter, a 13 megapixel ultra-wide camera, and a 5 megapixel macro lens. For selfies, there's a 32 megapixel front camera. To sustain extended gaming sessions, the phone features dual 3000 mAh batteries. It also comes with a 65-watt charger and a Type-C to Type-C cable for fast charging. iPhone 15 Pro Max. The iPhone 15 Pro Max introduces the Apple A17 Pro chip, delivering notable enhancements such as a 20% faster GPU with hardware-accelerated ray tracing support and a 10% increase in CPU performance cores. As the world's first 3nm smartphone chip, the Apple A17 Pro marks a significant advancement. While Apple doesn't specify RAM details, rumors suggest the iPhone 15 Pro Max may feature 8 GB of RAM. Regarding storage, iPhone 15 Pro Max begins at 256 GB and can be upgraded to 512 GB or 1 TB. Camera enhancements include a 48 megapixel main camera, a 12 megapixel ultra wide, and the mentioned A4 telephoto, all capturing images at 12 MP resolution. The phone packs a 4422 mAh battery, supporting 20-watt cable charging and 15-watt MagSafe puck charging. Sony Xperia 14, ready to immerse yourself in the captivating world of the Sony Xperia 14. With its impressive 6.5-inch 4K HDR OLED display boasting a buttery smooth 120 Hz refresh rate fueled by the formidable Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 processor, it's not just a phone, it's a gaming powerhouse and more. But here's where the Xperia 14 truly shines, its triple lens camera system. With continuous optical zoom capabilities, you'll capture every moment in breathtaking detail, from stunning shots to jaw-dropping 4K HDR video at 120 FPS. Let's not forget about its endurance. With a robust 5000 mAh battery, rapid 30 watts wired charging, and versatile 5G wireless and reverse charging, the Xperia 14 is always ready for action. Plus, with IP65 and IP68 dust and water resistance, it's built to withstand any adventure. Motorola Edge Plus. Prepare to enhance your gaming with the Edge Plus smartphone. Its 6.7-inch endless edge display offers a remarkable 165 Hz refresh rate, complemented by HDR10+ and Dolby Vision support for an immersive gaming experience. Fueled by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 mobile platform and 8 GB, it delivers smooth gameplay. The Edge Plus offers a 5100 mAh battery, 68 watts turbo power charging, and 15 watts wireless charging, ensuring uninterrupted gaming sessions. Available in Interstellar Black, it's a complete package for gaming enthusiasts. On the other hand, the OnePlus 12 boasts a Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor and a vibrant 2K 120 Hz Proxar display. With its 5400 mAh dual cell battery and 80 watts Super VK charging, you'll enjoy extended gaming. Thanks for watching.